Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming compatibility. Identify whether the TV accepts Bluetooth, USB HID, or a wireless dongle. Once done, charge the gamepad above 50% or plug it in to keep pairing stable. Low battery can block discovery. Make sure the TV is on the right input and that Bluetooth or USB host mode is enabled in settings. You're initiating the connection now. Put the controller into pairing mode, following its manual so the TV can see it. Next, navigate the TV's device menu to add or pair a controller. This is usually under Devices or Bluetooth. You'll see the controller appear, select it and accept any pairing code, or press the controller's Confirm button when prompted. If using a USB dongle, plug it into the TV and wait for automatic driver detection. After pairing, launch a game or the TV's input tester to validate buttons and analog sticks. Remap controls if the TV or app offers a configuration screen, so inputs match expected actions. To finish, confirm stable performance by playing for a few minutes and checking for latency or disconnections. If problems occur, reboot both the TV and controller first. This clears temporary Bluetooth stacks. Make sure TV firmware and controller firmware are current, because mismatches cause incompatibility. If wireless is unreliable, switch to a wired USB connection or try another USB port or a powered hub to supply consistent current. One key troubleshooting tip. If pairing repeatedly fails, forget the device on the TV and the controller, then pair from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.